Hello everyone. Welcome to our weekly interview. Today we'll learn more about mobile learning through our discussion with guest. Miss Kaula Alyasi is an English teacher and she is currently a student at HBMSU. She is doing her master degree in interactive education technologies in School of E-Education. Welcome Miss Kaula.
Hi everyone, and I want to thank you for interviewing me to talk about mobile learning.
Actually, we have two main points to discuss for this week. My first question is, what do you consider to be important instructional design principles and pedagogies for teaching and learning with mobile technology?
Effective learning through mobile technology is a result of cooperation between subject matter experts, instructional designers, and ICT experts. They work together in order to create an accessible, flexible, user friendly, efficient, and relevant learning environment. And efficient learning includes use of memory, engagement, motivation, and reflection. The information should be delivered in chunks to facilitate acquiring the new information. Information should be presented in a meaningful sequence so learners can see the main ideas and the sub ideas and find the relationship between the concepts. In addition, information should be organized and presented by multimedia such as audio and video. The interface is a crucial point in designing mobile learning. It should be developed effectively and properly. The learning interface should be attractive and doesn't overload the learner's memory, and one way of that is using concept maps. Interface increases the interaction between learners and learning materials. Further, learners should navigate back and forth between pages easily. Mobile learning enhances self-learning and interactive learning. Learning materials encourage scenario-based learning. Learners think critically and solve problems. So, learning through mobile technologies encourage metacognition skills, which help learners be self-regulated in learning experience. Moreover, learning materials for mobile learning are learning objects that can be reusable. So, those learning materials should accommodate diverse learners in different learning styles. The learning objects are just in time learning and training materials. Instructional designers should use all the learning phases in developing instructions through mobile technologies. Mobile learning materials and instructions should encourage practice and assessment as well as provide feedback. Instructional designers should use appropriate learning strategies which match the learning objectives. Quinn has pointed universal instructional design principles which are appropriate for mobile learning for a large number of learners. These are some principles such as equitable use, flexible in use, simple and intuitive, tolerance for error, low physical effort, size and space for approach and uses, community of learners and support, instructional and instructional climate, and more.
Thank you for your valuable information about principles for teaching with mobile technology. Let's move to the second point in today's discussion. What are the opportunities and challenges of mobile learning to those who design online learning or e-learning?
A successful mobile learning doesn't deliver information only. Learners can interact with devices, use them to communicate with others, capture context, share it, and more. Designers find different opportunities and challenges in designing mobile learning. Here are some opportunities. Designers of online learning and e-learning use mobile learning to augment learning and by adding motivation. So mobile learning is used to extend the learning by giving more practices and providing feedback for deeper learning. It can be used to enhance learners' preferences by using different formats in delivering content. Mobile learning augments learning by using contextual opportunities through delivering support. It also augments performance by taking the advantage of media capabilities. The mobile technology represents data storage, data recording, and data capturing, which are permanent resources for learners. Mobile learning supports performance through providing different communicational tools for sharing and connecting with others from different locations at any time. In contrast, there are some challenges. There are diverse mobile devices with different ways of using these devices, and instructional designers can't ask learners to use a specific kind of mobile devices. The speed also in downloading through mobile devices is very low if we compare it with the laptop or desktop. Also, the small screen size is a barrier in delivering materials and content. The materials are presented with low resolution and contrast. Inputting information through mobile devices is time consuming because of size of keyboard, the limited capacity of for storing information, and there is also the connectivity and battery life is very less if we compare it with laptop or desktop.
Thank you for sharing information about instructional design principles with mobile technology, the opportunities of mobile learning as well as challenge of mobile learning.
You are most welcome, and thank you again for interviewing me and giving me the chance to talk about mobile learning.